And the race is on Lucky Lorky Etchikatsu. Discovery Pick, Donori inside is Moment in Time. Etchikatsu, Gold Mine, and on the outside is entry number 5. This one is the Sarjon in between runners, Moment in Time, Discovery Pick. Alongside is Speedmaker on the further outside, Caloocan Joy. May Bukas pa is racing by the 7th position. Lucky Lorky is racing 8, running on the outside, Symphony, Tarlac, and Stormtrooper. Rounding the far turn, Etchikatsu Speedmaker is on the outside. Etchikatsu Speedmaker, Discovery Pick, and Moment in Time down on the inside, Gold Mine. Caloocan Joy racing on the outside, and May Bukas Spice running in 7th position at this moment as they race the final corner. Alongside Speedmaker, Etchikatsu, Moment in Time is racing on the outside, and Caloocan Joy, and moving up is May Bukas pa. At Speedmaker, Moment in Time is on the outside, Caloocan Joy, and May Bukas pa. Speedmaker, Moment in Time, Caloocan Joy is on the outside, but still Speedmaker doing the better. Second close, Caloocan Joy. Number 8, May Bukas pa. Number 4, Moment in Time, The Sergeant, and Lucky Lord.